Negotiation skills stand as a cornerstone in the foundations of effective communication, essential not only in our personal lives, but profoundly impactful as we venture into the professional realm. For teenagers stepping into the job market, mastering the art of negotiation transcends beyond securing a desirable salary. It's about advocating for one's value and worth in a competitive landscape. This segment underscores the criticality of negotiation skills, emphasizing why they are particularly vital for young individuals eager to carve their niche. It dives into how these skills facilitate better outcomes and why, especially for the youth navigating their career onset or negotiating enhancements in their roles, these competencies are indispensable. In essence, negotiation is not just about reaching a compromise. It's a strategic tool for communication, heralding mutual benefits, and fostering understanding in both professional and personal arenas. In the journey to secure fair compensation, self-awareness emerges as a pivotal first step. It's about delving deep into one's repository of skills and achievements, understanding the unique value one brings to a role. Such self-assessment is more than an introspective exercise. It's a strategic move in the negotiation chess game. By aligning one's accomplishments and skill set with the industry standard pay scales, individuals equip themselves with the knowledge needed to advocate effectively for their worth. This segment encourages the viewer to engage in this reflective process, underscoring the importance of research in ascertaining what constitutes a fair wage within their specific domain, thereby empowering them to articulate their expectations with confidence and clarity. Preparing for a salary negotiation is akin to assembling a compelling case in a court of law. It demands meticulous collection of evidence that underscores one's contributions and highlighting how these accomplishments have propelled the company forward. This proactive compilation of achievements serves a dual purpose. It not only solidifies one's position, but also articulates the rationale behind the deserved pay raise. By methodically organizing supportive information, one transforms from an employee requesting a raise to a professional, presenting a well-founded case for financial recognition. This segment guides viewers through strategizing their approach, emphasizing the necessity of preparation and the impactful presentation of one's professional narrative. Mastering the art of negotiation entails far more than a mere exchange of words. It's an intricate ballet of verbal finesse, positive body language, and the strategic presentation of one's case, all orchestrated to avoid any hint of confrontation. Effective communication is the linchpin in this process, ensuring messages are not just heard, but felt in their intended spirit. Acknowledging the power of body language as a silent yet persuasive communicator underscores its role in shaping dialogues. Furthermore, rehearsing through role-playing can unveil insights into potential responses, refine tactics, and boost confidence. This segment illuminates the spectrum of strategies essential for negotiation, spotlighting preparation, practice, and presentation as critical components for turning discussions into successful outcomes. Navigating through negotiations requires not just the eloquence to present a case, but also the acumen to handle objections with grace. It's crucial to listen actively, understand the concerns behind employers' hesitations, and address them constructively, transforming potential roadblocks into stepping stones towards agreement. Recognizing when compromise is beneficial and showing the flexibility to adjust expectations can often tip the scales in one's favor. As negotiations draw to a close, the ability to seal the deal with professionalism, expressing gratitude for the opportunity and time invested by the employer, not only demonstrates good etiquette, but solidifies the agreement on a note of mutual respect and appreciation. This segment guides viewers through handling objections deftly, understanding the value of compromise, and concluding negotiations with poise and gratitude.